Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a rifle sling out of parachute cord. It's regular black parachute cord you can get at the Army surplus. Or if you have an old parachute, you can take the cord off of it. Or just use regular nylon type cord. Here I got about a 20-foot piece I'm going to make a rifle sling from. You double it, go down to the free end, join the two ends together. From there you twist it overhand. You want to leave enough to tie onto the rifle. You twist it over, flip it over, and from there you bring it up inside on the running end. You bring your rope in through there and tie it into a slip knot like that. That's what you'll end up with. And from there you stick your finger through the middle and bring the rope up through it and tighten it. Now you got your sling started. You have another rope end like that, loop like that. From there you keep it a little bit tight, and then you bring it through again. And what you're doing basically is braiding a piece of rope. Bring it through again, bring it through again, bring it through again, keep it tight on the end, bring it through again, you can bring it through again, you grab through the middle, bring it through again, just keep doing it over and over. It may take about 30 foot of rope to make a decent rifle sling. You can also do this to shorten a rope or make a belt. Keep doing it over and over. Make sure it stays tight. Once you get to the end, you bring it all the way through your loop. You have a loop at the end. You can put a snap link or whatever you want, rifle barrel or whatever through this end. And through this end you tie on to the rifle or whatever. This one's a little short, but it was only 20 feet. You'll need about another 30 to, probably need 30 to 40 feet overall to make a good sized rifle sling. That's basically how to make one.